Beyond wood and metal, there exists a quiet, often overlooked world of architectural salvage that carries a depth of character impossible to manufacture new. And transforming these forgotten remnants into creative decor is not simply an act of reuse, but a reawakening of history into modern living. Ornate corbels once hidden beneath layers of paint in old homes, intricate iron grates removed during renovations, reclaimed tiles chipped by decades of footsteps, and fragments of stair balustrades or window surrounds all hold the imprint of craftsmanship, time, and human presence. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Choosing to work with these materials is a deliberate rejection of disposable design and a conscious embrace of storytelling through form. In today's design landscape, where authenticity is increasingly valued over perfection, architectural salvage offers a rare opportunity to create decor that feels grounded, intentional, and emotionally resonant. The why behind transforming these materials is rooted in both sustainability and aesthetic depth. Every salvaged piece diverts waste from landfills while preserving skills and materials that are no longer economically feasible to reproduce. More importantly, these elements bring soul into a space. A carved wooden corbel turned into a sculptural shelf support or wall-mounted art piece does more than hold weight. It anchors a room in history. A cast iron grate repurposed as a statement wall panel or lighting diffuser becomes a conversation piece, its shadows dancing across walls as a reminder of industrial artistry from another era. Reclaimed tiles, mismatched in tone and texture, can be composed into mosaic tabletops, backsplash art, or framed installations that celebrate imperfection and time-worn beauty, transforming wear into visual richness rather than flaw. The process of reimagining architectural salvage into premium decor begins with observation rather than force. Unlike raw lumber or clean metal stock, salvage materials resist uniformity, demanding that the maker respond intuitively to what already exists. Cracks, patina, rust, chipped glaze, and worn edges are not problems to eliminate, but features to highlight. This shift in mindset is essential in redefining modern luxury, where value is no longer tied to flawless surfaces, but to depth, narrative, and individuality. A salvaged stone threshold, for example, may become a minimalist bench top or console surface. It's uneven where telling the story of countless footsteps. Rather than grinding it smooth, the maker preserves the softened edges, sealing and stabilizing the surface so it remains functional while visually honest. In this way, function and memory coexist, allowing decor to serve everyday needs without erasing its past. The same philosophy applies to reclaimed architectural ironwork, where careful cleaning and stabilization replace aggressive refinishing. A gentle removal of loose rust, followed by wax or oil finishes, preserves the material's integrity while preventing further decay, resulting in pieces that feel both raw and refined. Transforming architectural salvage into sellable art requires a balance between respect for history and contemporary usability. While the material carries its own narrative, the final form must resonate with modern interiors and lifestyles. This is where thoughtful design becomes critical. An ornate plaster ceiling medallion, once purely decorative, can be adapted into a dramatic wall sculpture or a frame for ambient lighting, blending classical detail with modern minimalism. Reclaimed tiles from old factories or public buildings can be mounted onto steel or wood backings to create modular wall art or coffee table surfaces that feel intentional rather than accidental. By introducing clean lines, simple geometries, and restrained color palettes around these salvaged elements, the maker allows the material to remain the focal point without overwhelming contemporary spaces. This contrast between old and new heightens visual impact, reinforcing the idea that luxury lies in curation rather than excess. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. The inherent history of architectural salvage also adds immense value in the marketplace, especially among buyers seeking meaningful, sustainable decor. Each piece becomes a one-of-a-kind artifact, impossible to replicate, and this exclusivity transforms salvage decor into premium offerings. When a customer understands that a wall shelf was once part of a century-old building or that a lighting fixture incorporates iron grates salvaged from an abandoned factory, the object transcends utility and becomes a tangible connection to the past. Storytelling thus becomes an integral part of the creation process. Documenting the source, age, and original function of the materials elevates the finished piece, allowing it to be marketed not just as decor, but as functional art with provenance. In this context, imperfections become selling points, and authenticity becomes a currency more valuable than mass-produced perfection. Clever upcycling techniques further enhance the transformation, allowing salvaged materials to adapt seamlessly into modern homes. Architectural fragments often require reinforcement or thoughtful integration to meet contemporary standards of safety and durability. Reclaimed tiles may be backed with resin or mounted onto stable substrates to ensure longevity, while old ironwork can be welded or mechanically fastened to new frames that provide strength without detracting from the original form. Even fragile materials like aged plaster or ceramic can be preserved through careful sealing and framing, turning once vulnerable fragments into durable decorative elements. These techniques are not about disguising age, but about honoring it while extending usability. In doing so, the maker bridges the gap between preservation and innovation, creating decor that feels timeless rather than trendy. Beyond aesthetics and sustainability, working with architectural salvage fosters a deeper creative satisfaction. Unlike standardized materials, salvaged elements challenge the maker to adapt, problem-solve, and design intuitively. No two pieces are alike, and this unpredictability fuels creativity, encouraging experimentation and personal expression. A corbel might inspire a lamp one day and a wall-mounted sculpture the next, depending on its condition, scale, and detail. This organic design process results in pieces that feel personal and intentional, reflecting the maker's dialogue with the material rather than adherence to rigid plans. For design lovers, this authenticity resonates deeply, offering an alternative to uniform interiors dominated by factory-made decor. In redefining modern luxury, architectural salvage shifts the conversation from consumption to curation. Luxury becomes less about newness and more about meaning, less about abundance and more about intention. A home adorned with salvage decor tells a story of respect for craftsmanship, history, and the environment. It reflects a mindset that values longevity over disposability and character over conformity. As sustainability continues to influence design trends, decor created from forgotten architectural materials stands at the intersection of ethics and elegance, proving that environmental responsibility can coexist with high-end aesthetics. These pieces do not shout for attention, they invite closer inspection, rewarding viewers with layers of texture, history, and narrative. Ultimately, moving beyond wood and metal into the realm of architectural salvage opens a world of creative possibility where discarded fragments become vessels of beauty and purpose once more. Through thoughtful transformation, clever upcycling techniques, and an unwavering respect for material history, ornate corbels, intricate grates, and reclaimed tiles are reborn as stunning, functional home decor that feels both rooted and contemporary. In this process, modern luxury is redefined not by what is new, but by what is remembered, preserved, and reimagined, allowing forgotten architecture to live on as premium, sellable art that enriches modern spaces with depth, authenticity, and soul. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.